How to unblock someone in Facebook on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually unblock someone on Facebook on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Facebook app, you want to simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now let's say you have blocked someone in the past and now you want to simply unblock them. All you have to do is first of all go to the menu page. Once you go to the menu page, scroll down to the very bottom, select settings and privacy. Over here, at the very top again, select settings. Once you go to settings, here you have been given multiple options. All you need to do is go to the option called profile settings at the very top. As soon as you go to profile settings, scroll down and look for the option called blocking. So you can see review people who you previously blocked. Tap on it and you'll be able to see a list of all the people whom you have blocked in the past. And if you want to unblock them, all you have to do is tap on the unblock button right next to the name and it will ask you for a confirmation. And you have to simply tap on the unblock button in order to update them. If you want to add someone to your block list, you can tap on add to block list. You can type their name or email address in order to block that particular person. And this is how you can unblock someone on Facebook, especially on Android. And this applies not only for Android and Samsung users, but also for iOS users as well and other Android users. Hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.